Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll talk about one of the most important sensors in your car's engine system, the oxygen sensor, and specifically, the 5 common symptoms of a failing O2 sensor. Most cars are equipped with more than one oxygen sensor, usually 2. One sensor right after the exhaust manifold, another sensor after the catalytic converter. And today, our discussion will be about the first one, the sensor located immediately after the exhaust manifold. The main role of the oxygen sensor is to analyze the exhaust gases coming out of the engine. It ensures that the air-fuel mixture is balanced at around 14.7 parts of air to 1 part of fuel. This makes the oxygen sensor a critical assistant to the ECU, engine control unit, in adjusting and maintaining the correct combustion mixture. One, check engine light. One of the most common signs is the check engine light turning on. The fault could be with the oxygen sensor itself or with its internal heater. Here are the most common O2 sensor and heater-related fault codes. P0130, O2 sensor circuit malfunction. P0131, O2 sensor low voltage. P0132, O2 sensor high voltage. P0133, O2 sensor slow response. P0134, O2 sensor no activity detected. P0135, O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction. P0141, O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction, rear. P0171, system too lean, usually indicating a problem with the air-fuel ratio. 2. Increased fuel consumption. When the oxygen sensor sends wrong signals to the ECU, the engine burns more fuel than necessary, which leads to noticeable increase in fuel consumption. 3. Black smoke from exhaust. If you notice black smoke coming out of the exhaust, this means there's unburned fuel inside the engine. It happens when the fuel-air mixture becomes too rich due to incorrect readings from the oxygen sensor. 4. Engine vibration and rough idle. A faulty oxygen sensor causes irregular combustion cycles, which results in engine shaking, vibrations, or rough idling. 5. Rotten egg smell. A strong sulfur-like smell, similar to rotten eggs, especially during cold starts, indicates incomplete combustion. This usually happens when the heater element inside the oxygen sensor fails. So, these are the top 5 symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.